Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to schedule an email on iPhone. So let us get started. First, open the pre-installed mail app on your iPhone. Tap the icon to create a new email address and write the email as you normally would. Or just write a scheduled test since this is just an example. So instead of tapping the send button immediately, tap and hold the send button. This section will bring up a menu with options. To pick from suggested send items, tap the one that suits you. Alternatively, if you want to choose a custom send time, tap Send Later. After tapping Send Later, you can pick the date for sending the email by tapping on the calendar date. Select the desired time by tapping on the time and using the scroll wheels to adjust it. Once you have set the date and time, tap Done. The email is now scheduled to be sent at the specified time and you will return to your inbox. By scheduling emails, you can compose messages at your convenience and have them sent later at a more suitable time. That's it. I hope this video helped you out and see you in the next video.